I decided that what I was going to do was just do the pop. Because my door was heavy, the arms were old from Brazil, from the original 22-year-old ones. And so I decided to replace those and figure out some sort of spring mechanism. So I hit YouTube, and with all my research, I found a thread with the actuator explanation in sort of similar detail, but very vague. And a few channels, one in particular, what Dave's done, showed me like a spring, like a 3D printer spring thing. So I found ones that would fit new arms, and I found new arms and went to town on this thing. So I got the red ones to match all the red accents on my car, and this is what I did. So with this, I hope that this helps you figure out whether you want to perform surgery on your trunk, on your hatch, and wire all this in there, which is possible. I mean, you just need to mount the actuator to, the frame of the hatch, and then you just wire it in. So I know it sounds simple. It's complicated, but doable. And I am going to do a part 2 sometime, but consider this part 1 and enjoy me making this hatch pop kit. Now, let's just take a quick look at what simple things you'll need. If your arms are okay, then just use your arms. But I needed new ones. So I got 2 new ones. And you'll need 6 of these springs. I got these on Amazon. Here's the ones I purchased. I needed 3 on each side. And it was important that the arm fit through. It was like 10 millimeters, I think. I'll put that in the thing, in the description. I liked 6 washers for this, of these, and it was, I'm sorry, 1, 2, that number is wrong. Well, this is right. But I think this number is wrong because it's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so it'll be 8. This number is now 8 for each side. And I really enjoyed the zip tie around this part. This part will break. So what you do is you do it like that, and I did 2 on each one, and after 1 year, they still don't break. So the zip tie was pretty much the most important part. So I hope this helps you, and the end of part 1. And as you can see in the final result, I decided to just use 2 washers so that the springs could work against themselves. And it worked great. So the updated is just 2 washers needed for each side on the ends. Hope this helped you. This modversation has been about a hot hatch pop kit for your Mark IV Golf GTI. And next time, I'll show you how my GTI failed smog and the reasons why, and how I came up with a system to get it to pass. So until next time, enjoy your modifications and all your modversations. Thank you.